watch Anna's
Man, come on. Why? Look, I don't want to hear anything, okay? You are here, so that's all that matters. Table 7, just go.
Madam, did you watch Anna's videos yesterday? Is there any problem? Are you okay?
Your mouth stinks. That is the problem. Could you go back a bit?
But you said you want.
Sincerely, your breath is very uncomfortable. As a matter of fact, I've lost my appetite. Please go. Hey. Go.
Why did you think I didn't want you to say anything? Eh?
Come on. Come on.
Alina, did you actually see the whole Ghana in his hands?
And come on. Even if the whole world is in his legs, just go. Okay?
Hey, come. Go.
Don't you dare walk away from me. Don't even tell me you're sorry. Don't you dare tell me to let it go. God knows I would like to. I wish I could. But I can't. I can't let you go. Tell me why. Why are you running away from this relationship? Why? Mark, tell me. Oh, because you're scared. Well, I am scared too. But then, you and I, we have something worth fighting for. And that is all that we need.
Okay, cut.
Wow, young lady, I like that.
No, fine. Thank you.
We're giving a part of the script out of the entire script. You know, it is a big script. And then you killed it. I liked your performance very well. You killed it. But the main script is very hard. Are you ready for the task?
Yes, sir.
I have the looks and all. I mean, you're pretty. But this is an international project. This is a big project. And we have to know if you're up to task. Because there will be some daring roles.
It entails a lot. You have to show some part of nudity.
Can you take off your shirt?
You want me to take off my shirt?
Impressive! Wow. Hey, can you take off your bra?
Eh?
I mean, you have to know if you're not shy.
I can't.
You what?
Are you people looking for talent or you're looking for a nudist?
Look, you want the role or not?
This is not right. This is not. I mean, I've done my research. You people take 50 CDs for audition forms, which isn't right anyway. And now you want me to go nude because of some silly role?
Look, you didn't tell us what to do here. What do you mean by that? It's part of the job we are doing, so you didn't tell us what to do.
People should be ashamed of yourselves.
Look, miss, you are so close to getting this role. Don't blow your chances.
To hell with this chance! To hell with it! You are the reason why young artists like me are not moving anywhere in this industry. I swear that I will tell the whole world how ugly and unprofessional you people are. Nobody will ever work with you again.
Okay, now that's enough. Get out of here and good luck with becoming a star.
You heard him, he says you should get out.
Don't shout at me!
What's the name of the man who directed the Babani movie?
What's that?
What of the POP?
Who is that?
You create this waste of. You're just here eating pizza, whether cooked or raw, becoming fat like Donald Trump, like Akufo-Addo.
At least I got bigger ass.
Just make it two. Ankama, what are you doing here?
I'm on break.
Ankama, your break time is up, so get up and go back to work.
But I just came out from.
Ankama, did you just hear what I said? I said, get back to work. Look, we have a full house today. And they are short of waiters, so we will really appreciate it if you stand up and get back to work. And stop writing this rubbish here. What is this? What are you writing?
First of all, this is not rubbish, okay?
That's right.
It's not nonsense. This it might be taken long, but it's for the big screens, okay? It's for the Oscars. One day you'll be sitting in your house and what you will see me represent.
That's right.
The man who present me. Ladies and gentlemen, the original screenplay goes to Ankama Yabua! Me, the first African to take it, me.
That's right. Ankama, you are very stupid. You're a big fool. Ankama, I beg you. Be serious once in your miserable life. Get real. Ankama, get back to work.
Halima, if you want me to go back to work, fine, it's my job, I will. But you can't stand here and tell me that my dream is stupid, my dream is nonsense. That I'm not taking, I won't buy it.
Sorry, Mr. Screenplay. Please, we'll really appreciate it if you came to help. So get up and get back to work.
Go, I'm coming.
Ankama, I won't say it twice. Get back to work.
I said go, I'm coming. 1 minute, you go.
I'm waiting for you.
Go, I'm coming. I just see making noise. You remain a waitress here. You'll be in that seat there. I'll write the script and I'll take her word. That jeans that you wear from Monday to Sunday.
Again, I apologize for the inconveniences I caused.
That's okay. Next time you should watch it when you're driving.
I will.
Please, where's my bicycle?
Some boys took it home for you. I think they're your friends.
Is it safe?
Yes, safe. But here's your bag.
It's my script. Where's my script?
Yeah, 1 second. Let me get it. This is brilliant work. I've never seen anything like this. Do you write scripts on a professional level?
I sometimes write when stories come into my mind, and I type it down in case of any luck.
Well, you, my friend, today is your lucky day. I happen to be a production manager. I could pull a few strings and we could help bring your script into life. But not if you're okay.
Do you want to take my script away?
If only you agree.
No. I mean, you can't take my script away.
Don't worry.
It's not right.
My boy. Don't worry. Nobody's stealing your script, okay? I just want to help you bring this to life. But that's if you're okay. I mean, don't you want to see it come to fruition?
Yeah, I
exactly.
want to.
So I'll talk to my director. And we'll see how best we can bring it to life.
Sure.
Trust me. Slices, is that where you work?
Yes, we do pizza delivery, so I normally ride bicycle to deliver pizza.
Oh.
We deliver pizza.
Speaking of pizza, aren't you hungry? If you want to get anything to eat, you would like chop something. Hey, so let's go. Hey. That can cover. Let's go.
Sound happy.
Did you get a role? I don't want to talk about it. Irene, Sister Anita.
Okay, oh, I was just asking. It's not that I want to.
Sister Anita, please! I know. You want to tell me about how being an actress is such a bad idea and what people are going to say. Thank you.
And so Anya Rono.
Listen, I don't care who sold my movie to you. It is my movie and you don't have the right to show it. Yes, that is what I have to tell you. Because at least if you are going to purchase for a movie, you should know who produced it. I produced it, and I produced it, and I produced it. You don't have the right to show it on your channel. Have I made myself clear? All I'm trying to say is you are not going to show that movie on your channel. Because I will sue you. I will sue you, and I mean I will sue you. Anyway, see you in court. Damn it. My bona fide movie, my bona fide property. You see me in court. Are you still here? I thought I was done with you.
No, madam. You asked me to sort out the documents on your table, please.
I'm not going to leave now.
But madam,
it's okay. Don't stand and watch. Let's go! 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 Go!
All is on fire.
Samson, I'm having the worst day of my life. Please don't come and make it worse.
on the contrary, I'm about to make your day better.
And what is that supposed to mean? And what is that?
This is $1 million script. Trust me when I say this is the best script I've read in my entire life as a production manager.
I've never heard you praise a script that much. I mean, what is that supposed to mean?
That's because it's that good.
Tell me, who wrote it?
It doesn't really matter. But his name is Ankama. I met him on the street somewhere. Nobody knows him, he's an amateur. But the script is good.
And you want me to gamble my money on an amateur?
No. I want you to gamble your money with me.
Trust me with this script.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give it?
4 billion.
You're exaggerating,
Of
right?
course I'm exaggerating, but this is good. It is that good. To change our lives. This is what you've always wanted.
Alright. Give it to Mrs. Sifa to print it. I'll get a copy. I'll leave you later.
Which of the safest?
Of course. Casting director. Who else?
Our lives are about to change. This.
Very good.
I'm fine. Yeah. Well, I have double jobs, make money, feed the both of you. I need no audition somatical birthday.
Stop it! What is your problem? My problem? My problem is you, Irene. I mean, what is your business on wanting to be on TV? Huh? Can't you choose a profession like a nurse, banker, lawyer? A normal profession like any Ghanaian girl should have. Must you follow those backward outcasts people who have sex and kiss on TV for fun? Oh, so you know. Look, the fame is not the reason why I chose this line, okay? Haven't you heard of dreams, passions, and ambitions? And where has it gotten you to, Irene? Where?
No,
audition after audition. And you're still where you are.
I'm getting for once in a very long time, have peaceful breakfast like a normal family and try to get on the good food. You know, my elder sisters, I draw inspiration from you. Think always fighting about who to be this and who to be that making me happy.
If you man who would have been happier. Oh, please don't bring mother into this. How stubborn you are to her. Dare you.
Don't follow her. You mean I shouldn't follow my dream?
I am not saying
That is exactly what you're saying.
Mrs. Paula is here to see you.
Tell her I'm indisposed.
Not that one, sir. I mean Mrs. Paula from Heaven Multimedia.
Hey, Mr. Maxwell. What's up, Maxwell?
Hello, my friend.
Yes, hello. You cool?
Hello, friend of my friend.
Hello.
Let me take a guess. You're here for my money.
Mr. Maxwell. Well, you can say that, but then I want you to know we are here to do business with you.
By asking for my money.
Well, you can say that again.
So why would I give you my money?
Mr. Maxwell, see the script? It's a bomb. This is my script. No point of correction. Our script. And I believe we can make a lot of money out of the script. That is why we are here today.
The last time I gave you my money, I made 20% less than you promised me. Why would I give you my money again?
This script will bring in a lot of numbers. This script is the best.
Mr. Maxwell, we would like to take full responsibility of the loss. In fact, the money went into post-productions and many more. But this time around, trust me, we'll make sure we'll all enjoy from.
I'm still not convinced, but I'm having a good day. So what do you have for me? Majid Michelle.
Yes.
Umar Krupp.
And even Denzel Washington.
Denzel Washington.
Robert De Niro.
Robert De Niro.
I think you for
Robert De Niro.
Yes.
Hey, let's all have a drink.
That's my man, Maxi.
As long as you make me money, we're gonna be friends.
The money will be coming like this.
Like this?
Bam, 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 bam. Thank you so much.
Just keep it coming.
All the time we working for the money. But you don't know, say, ACCRA with you.
Hello, how are you? I'm fine. How are you too? I'm also fine, thank you.
Please, I need help.
Ah, so you won't even say hi or greet?
I need permission out of work.
For how long?
2 weeks.
What? Are you mad? What do you want to tell the boss?
No, tell him something. My mom is sick. Your dad is dead.
Stop it. My dad is not there. Do you understand me?
But you can just make something up.
What are you actually going to do?
My script is shooting.
You're what? Say it again. Huh?
Look, are you gonna get the permission or not?
I'll try. Akama! Hey, Akama, come! How much did you say you had to take to the president? Huh? Hey, Akama! Please come and shoot me some, eh? Hey, you're going to shoot your script. Ready? Okay, come closer. This is very simple thing. Very emotional. You see Alison coming out from her car, and you, Jane, I want you to show emotions, right? I mean, emotions. If possible, you can drop tears. That will be a change.
But do I become on what?
Yes, you can do that, baby. I mean, take your hand from the past. Right? Okay. Are you ready for it? Do you have your line? Are you set?
I am.
Yes. Crew, are you ready? Okay. Camera, are you ready? Sound ready? Okay. Very, very good. No phone. Up, phone, up. Right? Take up. Are you ready? Take a crash. Okay. Camera rolling. Rolling. Roll. Roll. Action.
Hey, do something, eh? That role that I gave to Jackie. No, I think I have to give it to one of these girls, especially this one. I want to decast her. And then, you know, that one, Yvonne Nelson's role, I think we can give to this one too. See, let's make these girls. This is what we do.
No problem.
And then that one, Majid.
People change Majid. Make Majid can't make human being. Hey!
What is going on here?
I don't know, man.
What did you do with the behind the scene camera?
Hey, me. It's me.
Hey, make you look alive.
Ladies, is everything okay here?
Yeah, but that one, he said he was a producer and he wanted us to act in his short film that will go international.
Hey! You see, can you imagine me?
That was what he also told me.
This one too?
Hey, me!
Yo, but then they can't lie for you. They can't lie for you. You like, you know what talk to be Hampton. But you know me.
Look, ladies, be careful of these two guys. They are production assistants, alright? Don't let them deceive you. Come here, just come here. But so the two of you want to act, eh? I am the guy you should be talking to. Sexy, beautiful ladies. Have you seen that red car down there? Wait for me. You sit in the front and you sit in the back. I will make you a star.
So this one.
Hey! No, shut you up. Sexy, beautiful. Sexy, beautiful lady. The two of you. If you don't check yourself for this set, I will check you.
You're the devil.
Hey, no. You for the check yourself. Hey, Uncle. Come over. See these two boys? They'll be staying with you. Alright? But I know what made them come today, then they work. So tomorrow, after work, evening, then they will come in. And the two of you. I don't want to hear any misunderstanding. You hear what I tell you?
Yeah. No problem.
And take care of that camera.
Okay. What are you doing right now? Yeah.
I want to ask you a question. I ask him the question, no one answer me.
That guy no go school. Don't worry yourself to ask him question. Ask me.
The last night he gave me, the guy will get 15 on me, she only chop one step. What do you mean?
Swear.
Hello.
Hello, the boy. No.
He be Ofia Jololo. No, he's in a chop again. So this boy did, you understand? My room guard. The boy, they make people enter there. This is your second thing? Yes. Room that way, you don't get air condition there free. What will you do like that? Man, you will fuck up to me. The doctor says chilled water be good for the heart. I don't go organize water and drink and some food. Anybody wants something, we can send them to buy them. Oh yeah, I want bread and egg, maybe and toast down. Okay, where the money is, I will buy it right now. I'm serious, man. I never talk anything. I don't know you fuck am. Money inside. Yeah, I want the chilled juice, chilled water, chilled water. So make I tell you something. You see this place me I did, it be 5 cedi I dey pay every week. I dey here so 2 weeks if I no pay. I dey door jam. If my landlord come, that smoke you dey smoke, no be able to smoke. You know they like smoke. They don't smoke for you. If it dry smoking. If you dey talk to you, open your eye and talk to him. Below your eye. You understand the level. I don't like problem plus my landlord. You dey hear what I dey talk. No, come sorry. Who is the manager of that? You don't know about that. No. Every go get someone they jam. I did the other book.
This better be quick. As you can see, I'm busy. You see, I've been called up for a role, so I'll be leaving home for a couple of days.
As in, what, sleep outside the house?
No, it's not outside though. You see, it's part of the production. They have provided us accommodation.
I mean, you're not going anywhere, so don't waste my time.
Hi, Anita. It's part of the job. And that's what everybody did to become a star.
Irene, you are not everybody. And one thing is for sure that you're definitely not sleeping outside of this house. You can give the road to another person. Instead of you to go and learn a trade, you won't. We're looking for an assistant here. Someone who can wash here, so come and do it. I sell wachi. I'll sell wachi from morning to afternoon. After that, I come here and do hair. Can't you be useful? Irene, must you be gallivanting with useless people? People who don't have future.
So you're asking me to come and do hair?
Yes, we're looking for an assistant here. Someone who can help wash hair.
I'm leaving. So you allow me to go?
You can't go anywhere. I have left some clothes in the bedroom. Go and wash it.
What's wrong with you? Huh? So you just walked up from your home and you came to my home and you picked up my bag. What is wrong with you? Why did you just pick up my bag and then you left without even telling me? What happened? Are you okay?
Samita, good evening.
Samita.
Who are you talking to?
I got the road where I'm going through my line. I mean, this accident is making you go mad.
Oh, Sen. Have I not told you to stop this concert of a thing? Huh? Can't you see you're making noise? Disturbing the neighbors. Now bring the book.
I'm not giving you my food.
I said bring the book.
I'm not giving you my food. I'm giving you my food. I said bring the book. Bring this book now. Bring this book. I'm not giving you my food. I'm not giving you my food. I said bring the book.
Who are you? And where do you think you're going?
Sorry, who are you?
Don't you know that this is my director's room? Please, you better leave me.
No.
I have my director and Denise are there. Yes, I call. What are you up to, Brianna? About me, you know. You never get your people, you know. Who need me? Why should I make your position? Yes, I call. Hey, Brianna, up to me, you know. Hey!
So wait here. Sawa down for Beneza. Who say, "Oh, the director." I'm not saying wrong. Or a PA. In fact, in a PA or set what? Or your PA for Papa did the sir. The Mopa near room. 1 near room 2. What's all that you did? Right, but it's not to me parole. I'm going to mount. Brother, Corel.
Super the Sahara Beneza.
That be a hotel. A location. What's the best round?
Hey! This is not what you're not. I know you're director. Who's your then? I'm not going to Manu. Who's the Manu? I won't. It's already been awful. The Beneza, over to 3, okay? The catcher, you're talking for what I'm going to say.
Shaman. Okay. Shaman. Where the shoddy day?
Give me some shoddy. Eh? That foolish thing we didn't actually do for you. You minutes go stop that thing. You hear me?
Hey, what be the problem?
The business will be the problem. The son can't stand up for the business will be the problem. Make I tell you something. That foolish thing you minutes they do, you go set up, then carry set girls where they can't do extra. Come tell them say you be producer, you be director, they chop them anyhow for the house inside there. You minutes go stop that thing. Now when they vex me say, I'll come and you go tell me say, is this your house? Where she did? They here. The location drone can't carry and go to the location top. She passed the house under go. Asakam.
Anka, you get problem before. See, I've offended you. See, from my very day where I entered this house, I offend you. If I offend you, just tell me I'll go apologize.
What do you? I'm see on a more serious note, my brother. See, people grow up.
See, this industry we dey inside there. See, you know be I, you know be I. Ah, you just see all these small girls when they walk around. More if they cast star, they don't go mind you. This is the cocoa season.
Sure now. You say you be producer, where your piper card is? You be director, where your crew card is? PSF then do card give you. Make I tell you something. This is life, start the fast for food. So go leave my house.
Hey, relax. I want to know something, Who be the president for the Writers Guild for Ghana?
Who be the president?
Yeah.
Abdul Salam. The Venus film. It be Duo Studios. It be Cruise Production. It be Umar Krupp.
Good evening. And where are you coming from? I was on set. Who gave you the permission to go on that set? I'm talking to you. I said, who gave you the permission to go wherever you want to? Anita, I am 23, okay? And I can make my own decisions. Oh, I see. So you're grown enough to get yourself food and shelter too, right? Listen, let this be your last warning. I don't want to see you having sex or kissing random people on TV. What will society think of you? Sister Anita, sometimes you amaze me. Actors do not have sex on television, okay? To think that they actually do is a proof of how good they are. And that is exactly what they do, to act. And you think if Mom was alive, oh please don't bring Mother's name into this. Let her soul rest in peace. I am sick and tired of you always trying to use Mother's name to enforce whatever nonsense you want to enforce. If Mother was still alive, she would have supported me with her very last. And that is what a good woman would do. Oh, and about that thing you said about society, I don't care. I don't understand. Let me have a look.
Asante!
Hey, baby boy! Hi!
Hello! Hi, Jane.
Hi!
I'm sorry, guys, I couldn't make it earlier. I wasn't there.
Oh, you understand. Big stars of our time. I know, right?
Come on, you people. Jane, are you still doing your business African school?
I am. We're on a break now, and man, we don't hear about the show. So it's okay. Snatch. Okay, guys.
In the meantime, I'll give you 10 minutes break. 10 minutes break. I'll be back later.
Alright guys, we are far behind time. Let's move! Achu, Eben! What's up? Get the light. Take this thing off you. I don't like that thing. I don't like that thing. How much you put the cream on me? They come they walk me out like that. I don't feel good. Get your head said, hello. Hey.
Hi.
Hello, princess.
Aww, thank you. Are you part of the crew shooting here?
Yes! Yeah! Any problem?
Oh, no,
nothing. We just saw Ferguson come around and want to come take pictures and hug him as well.
Oh, he's shooting inside.
See, that is not going to be a problem at all. See, but at the moment, Ferguson is very, very busy. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Okay, see the people you're looking at here right now. We are the main people behind the shoot.
Oh,
Oh, yes. This is the executive. This is the producer.
the producer.
I am the executive producer.
And then this one is the director.
Youngest director.
Wow, youngest director.
Yeah.
Okay.
Youngest director, eh?
Yeah, he's the youngest, you know, the I mean, the job is very, very, very stressful. So, you know, it's you know, we can make you guys stars.
Oh, thank you, God. I've really wanted to be an actress. Well, I've not always wanted to be an actress, but it's okay. Good news to try.
Wow! See, that's very, very interesting, okay? See, you know what we're going to do? We don't want to waste your time because we are already wrapping up this one, okay? This figure is almost done. We are left with like 4 scenes of figures and then we are done, okay? But trust me, I will take your contacts. We will take your contacts. And then I'm writing the script right now. After immediately we finish this, we are moving on that script, okay? Yes, and then we'll call you guys and then I will send you the script, okay? You guys, we want to make you stars. I'm the Ebenezer that the people talk about. See, have you watched Picture Perfect?
Nobi, wow, I love that movie.
Yes, I made Nobi. That movie was his break. so this is my this is my phone. Put your numbers on.
Is this your phone?
Phone. This is a production phone.
Oh.
Move it, I need you guys. Calm down.
Now, why is she shouting at you?
Excuse me. Just happy. Hey, please. I can't work with this. I can't work with this lady. I can't work with this lady.
Listen.
Yeah.
Bundle.
So now I'm emptying or empty.
Really? Don't do that.
From connecting, see, I've given you when I come back to you.
Password.
Angela.
Baby boy is in love, my guy is in love.
Please just connect and go back to Insta stalking celebrities.
Me, Insta stalking. Okay, I don't stalk celebrities. I want to become a celebrity, and I will become a celebrity.
Good luck.
So if I'm Insta stalking celebrities, it's not your problem.
Good luck.
You know, we'll talk about that with your girlfriend later. Where's Mark?
I'm busy.
Look at this. Remember them?
That is Alison and that isn't just the Vegas in that. And that is Joanna also.
And the
Hey, I see them on TV. It's familiar.
And Kama, my high school mate.
Was that your high school class?
This is the guy who used to buy you ice cream. Weezy!
I know Weezy! I changed though. He's cheap.
I know, right?
So what does he do? He's in the picture, so...
His profile says So, this is my shortcut.
Is he successful? Look at the man's shit. Look at his hair. This guy is successful.
So, I mean, he's a producer. I don't care. I want to be an actress. All I need is a role. And then my talent will do the talking.
More fire.
Everything okay? Okay, come on. Darling, the same way we discussed the last time. I want you to have something to handle this now. Handle this now. Come on. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I hear you. And when you know, since I don't know, you people break all the business. Hey! I know the money goes. When they complain of money at the gym. Oh, me, this is not me. The banana 7 years. My boy! Eka, come on.
I want to go feel everything in my life. I feel number 9. So every good day man, if it's so to do for you, then I'll go back to my pizza job. Hey, PM! You like your friend?
No, I'm not really a fan of this, but I like this one.
Not to like your friend. The whole of this area, this joint is where you get good food. And good meat. But we don't have meat.
Oh, okay. I saw your Instagram, right? With some celebrities. And your profile this thing was producer. Sorry. Sorry. Are you a producer? Are you a producer?
Yeah, I produce. Lisa, I mean, I produce stuff for TV. We make stars. Yeah.
And how many stars have you worked with so far?
Messi. I mean, Messi Johnson.
Okay, Mr. Johnson.
And Majid Michelle.
I like that one. It's fantastic.
He's an amazing actor. And the other tall one, John Dumelo. Yeah. Name them. Van, all of them. Yeah.
I'm proud of you.
Proud of myself too.
And you know something? I'm also into acting. I've been running from one audition to the other. But then you always want to take advantage of me.
Yes, that's very sad. Yeah.
So I would like you to help me since you're a producer. I thought I would like you to help me.
I mean, I of course I heard what you said.
Let's drink. Drink. Oh, it's just beer drinking. Oh, I am drinking. I like drinking. See, now let's get down to business. You see, you are very beautiful. The first time I saw you, I saw that stardom in you. And I want to make you a star. That's what I do. The likes of Tonto DK, I made Appiah, even anyone else. They pass through my hands for Tonto for Nigeria. She was like you, very small like you. Yes, it's today Tonto is Tonto.
Oh, where are you going? I'm here just to say a big thanks to you for all the good things you've been doing for me. Introducing to directors, to producers, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
See, don't waste your energy. This is what I'm talking about. See, you are a true fan. See, you are humble. That's why I'll keep helping you. You know this lady? She's called Rosemond.
cinematic lens of the film. It's a term in filmmaking, cinematic lens, like a director going into character. It's just for some few days we'll move out of the place. That's Ebenezer, my director of the project that we are doing right now. Yeah. Ebenezer, this is Irene. She's an actress, a fantastic one.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. You said Irene?
Yeah, Irene.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cool. Wow. So as the youngest producer in Africa that you are, I believe you're going to do something with this lady.
You say?
I mean, as the best in young producer that you are, you know, you're the best in Africa now, like we know.
Yeah.
You produce John, you produce Amachi the Day.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So now the lady is here, and what I'm trying to say is, are you going to put her on your projects?
Oh yeah. Oh, of course. You know, I was thinking to myself, the movie that we're shooting now for Forbidden Love. Yeah, we see that
there's one Albina and I don't know Appiah, but Albina is a lead.
Albina is a lead. Yeah, Albina. I want her to play the lead. You know, I want her to lead the film.
No. That's what Yvonne.
No. We'll be casting Yvonne. Yvonne Nelson is. Tell her. I said I'm the casting her. Irene is going to play the lead and she'll play supporting. Wow. You know how we do it, right?
Of course. You want her to do it?
Yeah, tell Yvonne that I'm the casting her. That is Achu, the production manager of the job. He's just complaining about the welfare. That the welfare is very bad. Yes. The landlord not the one bring the welfare. The welfare not the one bring the welfare. It's bad, right? Welfare. Yeah. Welfare on set means the makeup, the dress that we wear, the place we're going to shoot, you know, even the camera and sound is all part of welfare. So as a production manager, he's complaining that he doesn't like it. Narrator, I told her about this.
Exactly.
Welfare. Actually, this is Irene. She's a fantastic actress. She's going to play lead. In the movie. Irene. Yes.
Don't worry. I will give you a role, alright? I'll give you a role. Just come to my house tonight and the role is yours. Let me call you back. This be the shot?
Nice shot.
Let's see the other one. No, go back.
I thought you said they would do it.
Solid. Oh, nice. At the come there.
Okay.
At the come there, can finish up.
Alright.
My boy.
Give it up.
Ankama.
Yeah.
Alpha.
Cool, boy.
Nice one.
Because I beg. I want to talk to you small.
Eh?
I want to talk to you.
What do you want to talk about?
Boss, I beg you.
Oh, you see the script, you know. we read the script. We say I wrote the script myself. So, see, the problem is, I get my friend young. She the acts, the girl she be good at. I not see anybody with the act like that girl before. I was wondering, you know, even if you be too sincere, make you give some my girl, but she the act wash. The girl, the performance, I don't see anybody with the act like that girl. At the beg you, even if you be too sincere, too work up, something self, make she just do the movie inside. Even one scene, one dialogue self at the beg. You want make her cast your girlfriend? Oh no, not my girlfriend, no. You don't say it's my friend, but say the girl they act. Agawa, you be like, you know, they understand how this one our industry they work, eh?
Cool.
Let me explain it to you. So you see all these big celebs, all these big names you see here, they are paid to be here. You know why? Because people will pay to watch them, and that is the essence of production. You understand me? So now this is your girlfriend or your sister or your, tell me, who knows her? You and who?
Amen. People say, look me, I give you the script, make you write. That's what you do for you. But what is? What is? Since morning, you can't give human being this.
Why don't you give me testicles?
Sir, like the pee, they smell like PM in body odor.
I don't understand something. Why the PM will get better food when you will give us this prisoners food? See, this is the
Sorry, this one will be the matter. So, since morning we come, some matter they worry me. Sorry, I know we fix it up.
What to find out? You like, yeah, man, you take trauma or something.
Yeah, Irene. Right now, the girl, she's built her whole hopes around me. She's seen me like a god. Because of the lie we tell her inside, the producer, the director, go use them. Right now, if you are what
be true. I know say you fool.
Oh.
You fool too much. So right now, what you gonna do now?
I don't know. I want to tell her the truth.
Hey, not try that thing. See, if I be smart, so you won't tell me, say, if this get open for you, you no go chop.
Oh, yeah, I go chop. If you open, I go chop.
What wrong you? You know say you fool. You fool like Kumchacha. So you tell the lie all this one, say in the end, you can't talk the truth. I be nyanted.
See, I gotta tell you something. If I be smart, see, make you not dull. Cause this girl as you see so actually you get they like it. Me, I go chop.
Hey, shut up. Who really like what? What is wrong?
I told you to stop this movie. What is this? And why are you happy? That is my first picture. He's going to be premium. Why shouldn't I be happy? Why shouldn't you? So you've not heard everything I've said in this house, have you? I said stop acting. And why can't I act? Huh? So you can do whatever you want to do. Or else I can't do what I want to do. How? I mean, don't wait for myself. And don't tell me what to do! Irene, if you want to act, then you better move out of this house and start preparing your own meals. Have you heard? Just jealous. That's what you are. You are a jealous sister who doesn't want me to be happy. Have you ever wondered why you are not married? Don't know it! Do you want to fight me? Irene, fight me, let me see. Fight me, let me see. Fight me. Have you finished? Shut up!
Please, can I come with you guys?
No, I don't think it's a good idea. You can't come with us. You can't. Director, do you need here today?
No. Actually, Irene, right? Like I told you, we have few days to wrap up set, okay? And I don't actually want to stress you, okay? It's not a good idea. You know, like I said, I'm casting you for the
next movie.
Okay, so just chill for me, okay?
Yeah.
We actually, personally, okay, when I'm working, I so don't like distractions. I don't want to be distracted.
Am I now in this?
No! That is not fun. Answer. Distraction?
See, that's not what I mean, okay? What I'm trying to say is that, see, you are our superstar right now, okay? You know, see, your producer here is very passionate about you, okay? So just stay home, rehearse, practice, and then you become the best, okay? That's what
Get into character.
I need that emotion, that expression.
That's my director speaking.
You understand? So just
I told director name. Director what?
Okay, then I'll see you guys.
Yes, they try and cook something for us because
Yeah.
very tight.
Face the wall and some and there's some carbs doing the See, make the cook rice. If like don't ask
You just stay home, okay, Uber. I am sorry. What's the name of your favorite actor?
Oh!
Don't waste your time. I know it, okay? That's Kennedy Japon. Nobody can get me too, don't worry. Yeah.
You know we are starting.
You're not drinking.
You will die.
You are not drinking.
You will die. You are taking these innocent children to military school at this age.
Are my children okay? You think I don't care? Huh? They need to be real men. They need to be disciplined.
But it's too early. They are going to die.
Listen, I want you to leave this game without that. No. What is your issue about this?
You are my issue. You want to kill me.
Enough!
What do you think about my decision?
You are the man of the house and you know what's best for everyone.
Online someone who I don't regret getting married to you. What is the point? Why are you showing us this?
This scene was edited because it's the core of the story. And also concerns were raised that you guys didn't do well. And then you didn't perform well in this particular scene. More especially Alison.
What? Me? What are you trying to suggest?
Alison, I am not suggesting that you're not a good actress. You are a good actress. But this particular set was not right. I didn't expect you to just give me anything because of your status. I expected more from you.
Are you questioning my acting ability now?
Alison, that is not what I am saying.
That's exactly what you are saying. You're trying to tell me I'm a poor actress. Alison, calm down.
getting out of hand. Do not calm me down. This woman here is trying to tell me I do not know how to act. Do you know how many awards I have to my credit? I mean, do you have the slightest idea how high I am ranked in the market? I mean, you should be grateful. Yes, that I actually took your script.
Alison, I know how influential you are when it comes to this industry. I know of your brand, and that is why we came for you. So please, don't get me wrong.
But what? Ungrateful people. Yes, ungrateful. You know, the only reason why I am seated here is because the script is good, not the pay. You couldn't even pay me and you sit here to say this to me. You know what? No. You know what? What do you mean? Alison, get out of your office. What just happened?
She terminated contract. Look, Miss Paula, I'm a very huge fan of your works, yourself, and your productions. But I can't just be on a fly with just any. You know, the people I act along with are very necessary to my brand. It's better you bring it back. You have me. If not,
You what? Out. Out. I said, get out now. Out! Are you also leaving? Of course you will. You know I'm not like this lady. I'm finishing what I was paid to do. Like them. Because of my humility and loyalty to you, I'm not even bothered about taking the lead role. Everything is going to be fine. Just look at the bright side, and I'm always here for you. Always. Okay? Thank you, Jay. Have a blessed day.
Alison? Who does she think she is? Who is that here in the first place? After giving her such a huge role, well, she just needs to take them and make them stars. And I don't know, they won't look at us and tell us how they feel. Almost sorry, I don't want them. They say Facebook or so, Instagram or so. Now I'm posting pictures. They say, when they don't get roles, then they will sit in the house and say, "Sir, but you for me of fear. Meanwhile, who beg you? Not joy. Not very sure. This girl and who is that guy too? Is it Legacy or Fiancé or whatever? I will make sure that no production house will ever come. That way, because I said I wouldn't need you. My goodness! Huh? This time, my name is Mrs. Paula. You will regret dealing with me. Oh, damn it!
How are you? You did this compound?
Yes.
Yeah, I see, because they wear this thing. And this weather is calling for something sweet, something like. But anyway, it's fine. But so where were you going?
I'm checking something down there.
Checking something down there. You keep checking. You can check for Africa, my dear. You check for Africa.
Hey, you're back early today.
Yeah. I forgot something. Are you good?
No, you guys always come home very late.
Okay, anyway, don't worry.
Hey, what are you guys shooting for?
And why do you want to know?
Nothing. I just want to know.
Okay. So, you still want to know where we're shooting, huh?
Yes.
That's what.
Why are you shooting?
Yeah. I don't know why you want to know.
I only just want to know.
Yeah. Okay, so now, if I tell you where we're shooting, what will I get in return?
You know what? Tell me where you want to shoot and we get what you want.
I'll get
What you want in return.
See, 3 junction away from here. Yeah, there's one huge yellow house. Look at this. Yeah, I get that. I get. So no, there was a problem. My one second. Yeah.
I'm confused. But is there any way I can help you? What's the matter? Talk to me. Maybe I can help you.
I want to see him. It's urgent.
This is the producer you're talking about. This guy?
Yes.
What? What they do you? You tell him say be producer. What they do you? Ah, you dey mad? You dey drink tramadol. Tell him who you be. Tell him who you be.
Production assistant. Only.
Sorry.
Just like that? You promised me something better, so I left my home. Your friend tried to rape me. You're even a producer. Don't you ever come closer to me again. I forbid you.
You see this kind of stupid things they do I know they like. Clearly they talk to you. You see the stupid things they do I know they like. What kind of stupidity with this? You dey tell person be producer. You get sense? It's the producer. Tomorrow we get meeting with the producer. Don't be late. I mean you now you to be producer. You will see me be the role producer for them.
Samson, you know we have a big problem.
Madam, it's not that serious. I think you're exaggerating.
What do you mean I'm exaggerating? That is why I've called him here. You know that? Well, Uncle Ma, we want you to rewrite the script. I mean, not entirely everything, but you have to make some few changes in the script.
But this one is not good enough.
It's good. We all know you're a very good script writer, but then, due to one or two reasons, we want some changes in the script.
Sorry, if you said it's good enough, I don't know why you want to write the script.
Like I said, we just want some few changes. That is why we have called you here.
Called that? We've decided to abandon this project, but it's given us the right to use the others. So all we need from you is to rewrite it, shed more light on the team, and anything like that.
No, if the actors worked out on themselves, I mean, anyone can take the lead role.
So what are you saying?
I mean, all I'm trying to say is anyone can play the lead role if they give them the chance.
Uncle Ma, we are not having this conversation. We called you here to give you a job to do. I'm the director. I call the shots. All I'm saying is we want you to rewrite the script. Are you ready for that?
And I have a friend. She's a very, very good actress. She can also do other character as well. I mean, I wrote a script.
Hey! Are you ready to write the script, change, make some changes?
Alright,
sorry, I want to ask a question. Who is the Minister for Culture?
Is he okay? Are you stupid? I don't get you. Come on, get out of this place. Look, Samson, get him to check in. Let him get out. The minister is Fred Amu. Get out.
Like she said, she starts now. Look, gentlemen, please. You distress me. Why? Why do you want me to tell you on this? Because she's talented. No, what would the real reason why you want me to tell this?
But I don't happen. I lied to her. I promised I was going to make her star. Look, Samson, you have to help me, please. I just give us this chance. Just one chance, please.
I mean, this is really, really bad. Very, very degrading, I must say.
Look, Mr. Maxwell, we don't need all these big names to sell the movie.
No, the movie can still sell. Besides, I don't know, we all want it's a good movie, right?
You know, and with a good movie, all you need is to get a good director to direct them, and then that is it. Get good technical people around, and you get a good movie. That's all we want.
But I still insist, we don't need the big names. The young ones are talented. Besides, all these big names grow old. Who will act?
The children.
Exactly. Look, Jen is a very good actress. I mean, she will still sell the movie.
Enough. I've heard both of your arguments. Paula, I need you to assess these young talents and get the information to me.
Sure.
It's not always about making money.
Don't you say? Yeah, I'm wise. I use my gumptions for
talking too much.
Right here, it is EP Radio with your sleek Mimi K, and today we're going to be talking about amazing things happening in the entertainment industry. I am super excited for today because I have two amazing people joining me today, and right across to me right now is the very beautiful. What else do I call you, Irene? You're welcome, baby. It's good to have you.
It's good to be in your studios as well.
You know what? I'm just so honored. I want to give you a standing ovation, but you know what? Let's take pictures. You know, great. It's good to have you. But this is your first movie, I presume. How does it feel?
It's wow. I mean, it's a great feeling. You can't go by Kinky without taking pictures with people. It's awesome, you know.
I mean, this has been my first movie. I've done a couple of movies for struggling producers. This is just the one that's so liked. Finally, you've arrived. You are a superstar now. Like, how does it feel like being a superstar?
Let me ask you something. How does it feel presenting? Everybody listening to you. You go out there. Everybody wants to take a picture with you.
I don't. You tell me about yours. How does it feel finally getting into the limelight? It's just the same way. You just try to be lovely. Love the people out there. I mean,
the streets love me, and that's it. I thank God for being where I am. It's been him so far. The journey has been tough, very, very tough. From one audition to the other.
But need I remind you that if you don't know, or you might not know, Irene has been nominated for the upcoming Global Movie Award. How does it feel like?
It feels like this. I mean, it's amazing. I know my sister is listening to me right now. I know.
And then she's happy for me. You've been through a lot of things. Anita, wherever you are, I love you. And I'm going to come take you out. But talking about awards though, she is not the only person who is receiving an award or being nominated for an award. I'm already giving that award to you. Well, the ladies' man himself, People Super Crash, Ankama himself has gotten a nomination for the upcoming Global Movies Award.
I just want to let people that are listening know that when you have a dream, you live the dream. When you have a dream, you focus on it. You have to be determined and be prayerful. You have to believe in yourself. It's never too late. It's never too late to start. There's always a fresh beginning for everybody, and I want to use this platform as well to apologize to this beautiful girl sitting right here. I'm happy that our dreams came true, and I'm grateful to God that she brought someone like this. Don't get emotional. Yes. Stop it. And now, stop it all. I like to blow my horn. So it's not just the global awards. I mean,
sometimes for life inside, the things you don't want, even you they get. But the things you don't want, you know they get. Sometimes we get some dream when nobody they believe in you, say you go feel me come. But every day you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in your dreams. You have to believe in your talent if you have it. Because every